Today we are going to talk about TV comedians who own luxury cars. Before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Kapil Sharma. Comedian Kapil Sharma started his career with comedy shows and got his own show with Sony Channel. With so much success, he became too proud and ended up ruining his career. But the comedian has realized his mistake and again worked hard to get back his success. Kapil Sharma owns a Mercedes-Benz S350 and also a Range Rover Evoque. The cost of the Mercedes is around 1.42 crore rupees and the Range Rover costs 59.04 lakh rupees. He is also a proud owner of Volvo XC90, which costs 80.91 lakh rupees. Bharti Singh. Bharti Singh owns a black BMW X7. The cost of the car ranges from 93 lakh rupees to 1.65 crore rupees. She also owns an Audi Q5, which costs 56 lakh rupees. She likes to post various images of her cars on her social media handle. Bharti Singh is a popular name now, but she has faced a lot of challenges in her career. People have body shamed her multiple times, but that could not let her down. She has been very comfortable and graceful in her skin. Ali Asghar. Ali Asghar has been a known face when it comes to comedy on TV. The comedian owns a Honda City and a Mercedes. He has been a part of shows like Kanpur Wale Khuranas and Comedy Nights with Kapil. He started his career with a Hindi TV series named Ek Do Teen Char. From then on he has taken up a number of roles in movies and television series. He has won Indian Television Academy Award for Best Actor Supporting Role for Comedy Nights with Kapil. Sunil Grover. Sunil Grover rose to fame through the popular TV show Comedy Night with Kapil. The actor currently owns a BMW Series 5 car. The cost of the car is 82 lakh rupees. Sunil Grover was discovered during his college days by late comedian Jaspal Bhatti. When he started to perform in Comedy Nights with Kapil as Gutti, he gained maximum popularity. Manish Paul. Manish Paul is one of the funniest actors on TV. Besides being a comedian, he is also popular as a TV host and TV anchor. Paul started his career as a host in Delhi. Then he shifted to Mumbai and gained the most recognition after hosting Saregama. He now owns an Audi Q5, which reportedly costs 47 lakh rupees. Krishna Abhishek. Krishna Abhishek is known for his performances in Comedy Circus and The Kapil Sharma Show. Before doing stand-up comedy shows, he did some Hindi and Bhojpuri films. He was even a participant in the dance reality show Nach Baliye Season 3. The comedian owns a Mercedes-Benz CLA 200. The swanky car costs 36 lakh rupees. Have you ever imagined people can earn so much money with comedy shows? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.